Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you get 88 until 97 OVR player Untradable, how to exchange reward Centurions player in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this exchange button. So jump into the Centurions. And this is the Centurions players 88 until 97 OVR. You can tap again for the details. So possible rewards, you can get one of this player if you're lucky, but guarantee reward 88 plus OVR Centurions player Untradable. So you need to exchange with 85 plus 2 player, 83 plus OVR 4 player, and then 70 plus OVR 5 players, and done. Let's tap exchange button, tap to unlock, tap to open. Let's see, from Mexico, right winger, play for PSV Eindhoven. We got Irving Lozano here. So good luck, maybe you're lucky than me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.